Hello and welcome back to Houseplant 101. In today's episode, I'll be talking about humidity and why it's important for your plants and giving you different ways of how to raise humidity levels in your home. Now, you're probably thinking, what is humidity? And quite simply, it's the amount of water vapor that's in the atmosphere. The majority of houseplants are in fact from subtropical regions where humidity is very high. So to help your plants thrive in your home, it's important to mimic these conditions. Now, your average home is slightly on the drier side with humidity levels around 40%, which is ideal for plants such as cacti and succulents. However, your foliage plants like this here Calathea or this Monstera prefer higher humidity levels. I'm talking about 60% plus. So it's important that we recreate these conditions in and around your plants. There are a few different ways of raising humidity levels for your plants. The first way is with a spray bottle and a little bit of warm water, and spray your plants once a day or more if you can. Another effective way to raise humidity levels is to invest in a humidifier, which are perfect for raising the level in a large space, and they give constant, consistent moisture to the air around your plants. Another way, which is very easy and low maintenance, is to get yourself a drip tray, fill it up with some grit or pebbles, then top it up with water, but so the water level doesn't surpass the top of the pebbles. And then once you've done that, place your plant just on top. So as the water evaporates, it's putting plenty of moisture in the air in and around your plant. A few signs to look out for if humidity levels are too low are leaves fall if the plant is very sensitive to dry air, buds and flowers shrivel and fall, leaf tips become brown and shriveled, and leaves begin to wilt and have a yellow leaf edge. You can rarely have too much humidity, but on the off chance, you'll look for signs such as the flowers being covered with like a grey mould, patches of grey mould on leaves, and patches of rot on leaves and stems. So those were a few ways of how you can raise humidity levels in your home to help your plants thrive and flourish. See you next time.